Hey guys, I wanted to give everyone a little bit of an update. I haven't uploaded in a couple months. I've been busy with the holidays and moving into a new house, but just wanted to update on the OpenFrame PC case. So I actually have a Radeon 580 that I've installed in here now, and I'm actually going to show you what it looks like with the vertical bracket. So first thing you're going to want to do on this case is obviously uninstall the graphics card that you have installed in here. So just the two screws holding it in. Now once you get the graphics card out, you're going to unscrew the horizontal bracket with the screws that are in there and slide in using the same screws and adapters to screw in the vertical bracket. Once those are out, slide the adapters in, put the two screws in, and install the vertical bracket. If you guys have any questions, please drop a comment in the comment section below and make sure to like and subscribe. I will be back to uploading videos here shortly. Thanks, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Alright, so one issue I did have here is the PCI Wi-Fi Bluetooth adapter. Obviously it's going to hit this, so I'm going to have to remove this bracket here and take that off.